I have 1 pound of ground beef. This is a very easy recipe you can make when you come home from work. I have the seasoning over here. This is a taco seasoning that you can make from scratch. It's very easy. Okay, I'm gonna give you the measurements in a few minutes, okay? I added 1 small can of tomato sauce to the pan here. I'm gonna add a little water to this can. It's an easy weeknight dinner, quick and easy. Okay, I added 1/2 a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/2 a teaspoon of dried oregano, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 can of tomato sauce plus water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then of course I'm gonna have tortillas, lettuce, and cheddar cheese for the topping. You can add other toppings to yours if you like, but this is an easy weeknight dinner for your family. Go ahead and mix everything together. Okay. Let this cook for about 5 more minutes, and we'll get the tortillas ready. Okay, that's what we're doing. We'll go ahead and make the tacos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.